Welcome to the MIT Admission Roadmap. This guide cuts through the noise and shows you what the Massachusetts Institute of Technology truly seeks in applicants. MIT is one of the world's most selective universities, but simply being a topper isn't enough. MIT looks for thinkers, builders, and problem solvers, students who actively use knowledge to change the world. This is a practical roadmap covering academics, projects, essays, and financial aid to help you prepare realistically. MIT evaluates students holistically, meaning marks alone are never enough. They assess 4 core qualities. First, intellectual curiosity, asking why and how, and exploring topics independently. Second, hands-on problem solving, building projects, conducting experiments, and engaging in research. Third, impact and leadership, helping others and leading with purpose. Fourth, resilience, the ability to fail and consistently work on difficult, long-term challenges. Now let's look at the academic expectations and the role of standardized testing in your application. MIT evaluates course difficulty and performance relative to your peers. Strong conceptual understanding in mathematics, physics, and chemistry is key. Most successful Indian board students score 90% or higher. A strong JEE rank, although not mandatory, helps show advanced problem-solving ability. MIT highly respects Olympiad-level thinking, with national-level qualifications being very impressive. Standardized testing is required. Competitive scores are typically 1,500 plus on the SAT or 34 plus on the ACT, with a strong focus on high math and logical reasoning scores. MIT wants proof you can handle advanced academic rigor. Show this through advanced online courses, research projects, or independent learning. Application of knowledge is what truly matters. Let's explore how to make your projects and extracurricular activities stand out in the application process. Projects are the most important part of an MIT application. They must be original, technically strong, long-term, and problem-focused. Quality of one strong project beats the quantity of many weak ones. MIT focuses on the depth and impact of your extracurriculars, not the sheer number. Strong examples include leadership in robotics, science clubs, research internships, or community problem solving. Your essays and letters of recommendation are your opportunity to show MIT who you are beyond the numbers. MIT essays are short but powerful. Be real and specific, explaining your curiosity, how you solve problems, and why MIT is the right fit for you. Choose teachers who genuinely know you. Strong recommendations describe your curiosity, initiative, and how you approach difficult challenges, especially from one math or science teacher and one additional academic teacher. Finally, let's cover financial aid, a practical preparation timeline, and a reality check. MIT has a need-blind admission policy for international students. This means your financial situation does not impact your admission decision. Furthermore, MIT covers 100% of your demonstrated financial need. A realistic preparation timeline begins in Class 9 by building strong fundamentals. Class 11 is critical for advanced coursework and major projects. Finally, Class 12 is for essays, recommendations, and submitting the application. Remember, MIT is extremely competitive. Focus on learning and applying to multiple top institutions. The preparation journey itself makes you exceptional.